guys, what's up? Today is the day. We're making a video on the Titanic. So, what should we do first? I'm gonna let this dude choose what we should do first. One. 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 Fine. Tag. 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 Yay. One. Do. So guys, I thought Meep! I'm gonna fall! Oh yeah, he's around there. Oh yeah, well, look at it now. Where'd he go? Was he on the other half of the ship? OMG. What? Tag. No! No! Yeah, guys. Oh yeah, this is a completely empty server. Not VIP at all. Like, legitimately, I'm not inside a VIP server right now. This is actually a real life server. I can't get him. It's too hard. Just fly across the lands here. Yeah, guys, don't ask. We have a ridiculous amount of health here. So even if we do die, we'll survive. We have a ridiculous amount of health. Ah, where did he go? He vanished. I see him now. I gotta have tag ready inside the chat. Do. No, this is just gonna crack. Oh no. Oh yeah. Ah! So guys, I'm screaming because like I have watched like this one of my favorite movies. Well, it's not my most. Oh snap! We're cracking in half. He's been on the correct track. We're going down fast. Go down. The south side has gone down. I don't think we'll be able to. I'm flipping. Yeah, well, the garden is now. Where'd he go? Yeah. We're still playing tag, by the way. It's not appropriate to play tag now. We're legitimately on the side of a ship right now. We're going down. Meep! Oh wow, someone else joined us. Ah! We have 100 tourist points. I'm ready to head out the ship. Yeah, we're on. We're gonna make it. Okay, we should probably stop playing tag. Like, legitimately just look up my roblox name. Oh yeah, no, detail. Oh yeah, you're inside a YouTube video now. You're in a YouTube video. Oof, that dude just fell off. Well, he was in a YouTube video. Whatever. I don't really care. Actually, yeah, I do care. I'm proud of this game. Like, I almost have every badge, I think. Not quite sure, but I have a bunch of face points. I only have one badge to get. That's inside the boiler room. But I won't take it because I don't want to become a co-worker. Like he is. Sorry. I'm trying on my car. Well, we're gone now. I'm just gonna do this. We're gonna have a great time. And I'm gonna put my life. Come on, dude. We can make it. We're not able to make it out alive. Yeah. our lifespan's going down fast. Dude, this dude was not on that song with us. We've been alive for a pretty long time. Oh, here's health. Oof. I don't think any of us survived. Yeah, list is saved. None of us survived. 700. Well, oh yeah, guys. No, you cannot do my avatar. Well, you guys already saw it. But don't question my questioning. Oh yeah, this game recently did update. I hate this part. This part legitimately freaks me out to death. This part, I took a screenshot of it, like, legitimately. This part freaks me out. Like, every time. Like, look how creepy this image looks. But also, now I'm on top of here. Oh. Like, this is my... Oh yeah, I almost have every badge instead of this game, too. A lifetime game pass now. Botanica. I don't know what that one is, but the question mark. Question mark! Alright, well, only 6 minutes into the video. Oh, let's get on. Let's go spawn some more random. Hopefully we'll get inside the boiler room. Let's go spawn inside the boiler room. Oh, well, Bacon Man's on. Joined us. Hello, say hi. Bunch right now. Let's get on Titanic. We're gonna try getting this random spawn patch. Okay, yep, perfect. Perfect. We're in the boiler room. Now we can die here. We can drown here. But actually, you can't drown here right now. But whatever. Yeah. Why does this give me the weird... I think this is like a weird glitch inside the game. So Titanic game people, if you are watching this, there is this weird bug where if you're inside the boiler room, it will flicker these blue watercolors. But no one else inside the ship does it except for a boiler room. And what the? I think we found another weird thing. Yeah, that's there as well, guys. Also, yeah. Guys, legitimately look. It's inside the boiler. It may be because we're underwater and we're on land. So that may be the problem, or it's something else. But that's bothering me severely. Sorry guys for that weird noise. I make that from the time. Oh yeah, I am a Titanic vintage collector. Well, I want to be a Titanic vintage collector. I wouldn't wear the things. I just would like to collect them. Oh yeah, guys, yeah, this is the Titanic ship on land. Does he type it all? I don't think he's spawned yet. I think he's somewhere else. And that's doing that. Well, that's Titanic. I think we're gonna try getting the badge next time. Or we're gonna make a video where I have all the badges. We'll get all the badges. But I kind of almost have all the badges. Like, there are some... Ooh, dude. Dude, hello. Let me just tell him you're on YouTube. Ah! You're on YouTube. Exciting news for you, dude. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. Let's tell him that. Oh, he's definitely excited. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video there. But this was us flying Titanic ship. Avoid this video at, like, most cost. It's true, actually, guys. But I think I'm gonna end the video there. Also, don't question my avatar. I've been in very many roleplays inside the Titanic. So, Don't ask, I've had weird memories on this ship. I haven't been actually on it, but I wish I would have been on it. But I'd be dead by now, so I'm kind of glad was not on it. At least it's history now. I'm so really scared of the Titanic, actually, guys. I have a big phobia of the Titanic. It's like my worst fear. So, well, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you all for watching. I'll leave the link to this dude's Roblox character if you want to go follow him. Okay, well, that's all.